I think I'm gonna be able to raise at least $10,000 by selling Russell's bar sign collection. That's gonna give me enough money to paint and get the inn cleaned up. If I don't do that, it's not gonna look good for Anna, who's my best potential investor, and she's gonna be here in less than 2 weeks. I gotta get this money in hand now. Today, Kelly and I are gonna hit up some local antique shops, and we're gonna try to sell the signs for cash. So what I'm gonna do with you on the drive is I'm gonna try to learn each picture. You're gonna show me the picture and tell me the value. And then I'm gonna have it memorized, right? Gentry and Kelly worked on getting a value on each and every sign. Okay, so the BH, BC, that's between 75 and 100 bucks.
Yes,
okay, 100
because this is like a local brewery.
All right. They ranged between $100 to $2,000, depending on which one. The
This
Miller
isn't
one is
like-
worth 400 bucks.
$375.
All right. They total about $10,000.
This one is vintage.
Worth 400 bucks. Yeah. Negotiate with knowledge. Always know the true value of what you're selling. Research the market and be prepared with hard evidence. And when someone does lowball you, you can always walk away. Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. I have some neon signs I want to sell.
Okay.
This one is the least expensive one, which is a local brewery. This one is probably the most expensive one we have because it's a vintage one, a real vintage one.
Okay.
I wrote it on the back what they are showing as sold for.
Okay. These are all out of my price range. This one I'd probably pay you maybe $50 to $75 for, because I'd try to get 150.
Right, okay.
And this one I'd probably pay you 20 or 30 and try to get 60 or 50 right in there someplace.
No, that doesn't help me.